Hola a todos, ¿qué tal? So, I want to first apologize to you all. I've been on YouTube for I think either 3 or 4 years now, and I've never just like not posted. I usually always post every single week, and if I miss a week, I'll make sure to post the following week. This is the first time I've been away from YouTube for like a month. Was not my intention at all. My camera ended up breaking, and I'm really upset because I just bought that camera, and I don't have insurance. I did try to take it to get it fixed, and since I don't have insurance, nothing I could do. But in the midst of my camera being broken, I realized that I just needed a break. So when COVID started, I was one of the few jobs where like instead of being able to take off or being able to work from home, it was like everything was amplified for us because we were essential workers in a sense. So like for the first 8 or 9 months of COVID, it was literally me working 6 days a week, sometimes 7, just trying to make sure that people were getting masks so that we could try to stay safe. Kind of when that starts to calm down through work, that's when I signed with an agency. So it was like I was trying to juggle modeling and working and then also doing YouTube, which I was able to do. But the modeling has picked up so much for me that I've actually had to calm down with my regular 9 to 5, and I have not really been working that much there because of modeling. And with modeling, the days are really crazy. Prepping for the days are crazy, then actually having to shoot, then having to go take stuff back, meeting up with hairstylists or makeup artists. So it's just a lot, and I just needed a minute to process everything. And speaking of how busy I am with modeling, it is 10:53 p.m. and I just came back from a shoot. I promise you guys I'm working on getting a camera because I am going to be taking some trips in the next coming weeks, and I want to be able to take you guys with me. But I promise you guys I am going to continue to do my best to get you guys content as I am progressing on my journey in life. Definitely want to give you guys an update on my hair since my channel mainly focuses on my hair. I actually have a sew-in right now. The sew-in is like a month and a half old. I really need to take it out because it is like really growing underneath. I did a 21-day cleanse a few weeks ago, so I'm hoping that my hair grew a lot from the 21-day cleanse. I have breakage, like a lot of breakage from my leave out. So these pieces at my crown are super duper short. This side is so much shorter than this side. So I've honestly been pretty devastated about it, but it's modeling. It's because I portray myself having straightened hair because it's just easier for me to maintain. I don't know how to do my hair in a curly state. I really want to work on getting a wig. I just want to make sure that wig does not look like a wig. I want it to look natural. A girl was telling me to try HD lace. Y'all see I'm new to this. So I'm definitely going to look into wigs. I am going to get a sew-in one more time because these next couple of trips that I'm going on, I want to make sure that I'm feeling really confident because I'll be meeting with more people in the industry and hopefully people that will help further my career. And I feel like the sew-in for me looks most natural, and I just don't want to risk getting a wig and hating it and not feeling good about it. So yeah, I'm definitely going to get it sewn one more time. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling. Just want to give you guys a quick update. I appreciate everyone who's reached out to me, showed your support. I do post almost daily on my Instagram. So if you really want to see my modeling journey and like the behind the scenes stuff, follow me on IG. It is Sierra LaFay, same as my YouTube channel. And we're almost at 10K, so I really appreciate everyone. Bueno, hasta el próximo video.